In this screencast, I'm going to introduce the tool Xpert, which has been developed by the University of Nottingham by the same people that developed the Xerti resource. Now, Xpert is an excellent resource for finding Creative Commons images, and it will actually attach the reference and the license to the image. Now, that's really, really useful for people working in education, because when we do find images that are released under Creative Commons, we somehow need to manage where the images come from and what the license is, when we should always try and keep the two together, and that's quite hard. But what this does is it attaches the license and that information to the image. So let me show you how it works. The web address is www.nottingham.ac.uk and then /Xpert, X-P-E-R-T, and that will bring you to this website here. Now I'm going to do a media search, so I click on the media search option and it will bring me to another page. And I can type in my search term. So I'm going to search for a cricket image. And you'll see here I've got the options of pictures, sounds or videos. I'll click on search. By default it's gone for the pictures tab. And just wait for it to do its search. And it tells me there's 330 pictures found, there's no sounds, there's no videos. Now what it's done is it's searched through various sources, Wikipedia, Flickr, Google Images, etc. I'm going to use this one here, which is an image from Wikipedia. So if I click on the image, what this is a copy of the mock obituary, which was what led to the creation of the Ashes. So quite a significant document for those that are like cricket like myself. So here we've got the information on that image, and there's various things we can do with it. Now the top link here says Get Image with Attribution. So if I click on that, what it will do is it will open up a new tab or a new window, depending on how your computer's set up. And there's the image, but what you can see at the bottom here is it's attached the relevant reference. So it's told me what the Creative Commons is, in this case it's public domain, who's done it, the date, etc. So it's got all the information that I need attached to the image. And it's very simple. I can right click, copy, and I'm going to go into Word, and I can just paste. So very easy way for me to put that into a document, and the image goes in and you see that the reference is attached to it, so the two can't get separated easily, and that's very, very easy, very useful to do. So if I come back to the internet, I've then got the option of getting the image with attribution, so it would fit nicely in a Xerti object. So if you click on that, it will then give you the image that you can put into Xerti. I'll come back to the embed in PowerPoint in a second. There's the embed code option. So if I click on that one, it will bring up again a new tab or a new window, and just a little bit slow. There's the embed code. So if I take that, copy it, and I can go into something like my VLE or a blog or something else, I can paste that in and it will put the image in without any problems. And finally, embed in PowerPoint. So if I click on that one there, what it will do is it will download a file to my computer. So if I again go to this tab, so you can see here the box is opened up where it would do it. And what I have to do is I have to save it, click on OK, and then I have to open it in PowerPoint. If I just click on open it, it doesn't always work. Okay, on mine I have to save it and then open it separately. And here's one that I've done earlier. So that's the image opened up into PowerPoint. Now what it's done with the PowerPoint one is it's resized it so it fits the size of the slide as best as it can, but it's also compressed the image, because one problem with using images in PowerPoint is if the images are taken in high resolution, you end up with this very, very big PowerPoint file. What this has done is it's actually compressed the image, so you don't end up with a huge sort of 10, 12, 15 megabyte file. You end up with a much smaller file, but you won't notice the difference in the quality, because the quality of the screens and the quality of the projectors, okay, it won't be noticeable, and that there can be a very, very useful tool. So that's the Xpert tool. I think it's absolutely superb. It does a brilliant job. It attaches the reference and the license to the image. It makes life a lot easier. It shows good practice to the learners. I mean, learners can use this for searching for their resources, and you can use any of the different options.